place. Today I'm going to show how you can send fax message from DOOGEE S100. So in the first step, open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. To show again this prerequisites banner, you have to restart the application. Now allow permission to the files. Click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery, like this one for example, maybe this one. Select it and just click on the import. Now you can add as a shape to your document or the picture. If you're ready, click on the arrow icon. Then you can choose the filter for the photo to make it more visible. If you're ready, click on the accept icon. Type the number in this place. Choose the country from the list, and to send the message, just click on this button. This is the way how you can do it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.